Started right up, no ether. So yeah, we were using the outrigger. We were using the backhoe. And it was great. And we had fixed the fuel filter. It was so clogged up with 30-year-old junk. But yeah, this line blew out while we were using it. Ooh, look at that carnage. And it totally made this machine unsafe to operate. So I'm gonna crawl under and see what we're dealing with under there. Ooh, and it'll be fun. I love this bed of thorns and good stuff. So the line comes in through here and then comes up to here, and can't really see it, but where is it? There it goes. Where up? It's like a labyrinth. What the heck? And then yeah, well, anyway, you get the picture. I think it's that one right there. I think that's our boy. And gonna crack that sucker loose, and a bunch of hydraulic oil is going to shower me. But we'll be good. And then we can just get a new line made and come back in here and put it in. I already took this little... I went ahead and took this retaining bolt loose. And it is covered in grease and grime. But here we go. Bam, make sure to lose these in the weeds here. And then let's see if this pops apart. There we go. So I'm just gonna leave that. Oh shit, that was coming off. But you know, I'm gonna leave that on there so you know we don't have to fight with it to put it in the right position. Alright, so back under the backhoe. Here we go. And then you can't really see it. What's this? And is that, ooh, okay, for you folks who have their 416 Caterpillar backhoes at home, 13/16, 3/4, all standard. None of that European crap. Alright. Let's see. It's kind of tight, so I'm working quarter turn at a time. Uh-oh, here's the rain. Let's see if I can. Goal is just to get it loose enough with the wrench so that I can turn it with my fingers. Good thing about being under something when it rains is that only your legs get wet. Let's see. Maybe that'll be enough. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Alright. I'm going to grab a rag. There it is. Beautiful. Okay, cool. So now slide out and pull fishing out. Great. And so here we go. Now that I got that loose underneath, I'm going to tackle this. So, I mean, that might be 30-year-old Caterpillar brand factory paint we're going to be cracking loose. What do you think? Yeah? All right. So let's just... All right, so we're going to hold... It's lefty tighty, righty loosey, right?
Yeah, should be. Yep.
All right, let me
need a bar for that.
Yeah, let me get over on the other side so I can pull.
Ooh. Like you said, 30-year-old.
Yeah. Yeah, bar might be what's.
Or it's going to be a bar.
We have another. Turn.
You want me to run and grab a bar?
Yeah. Let me try one more time. I mean, we could probably maybe take it off that and, I don't know, separate these in a vise or something.
Yeah, we could certainly do that too. It might be a better idea.
Yeah, I can feel it. It's kind of stripping.
Okay.
Let's see if I can. 15/16. Okay, there we go. Whew. Yeah, then we can put this in a vise and put heat to it or something when we're not standing in the rain.
Yeah, exactly.
Alrighty, cool. Now, what do you think? You think it'll be alright if we don't? I don't know, I kind of want water to get in there.
I'll wrap it with, I'll get some tape and wrap it.
Alright, I'll
Let me
take.
go grab some tape.
Alrighty. So since it's raining, we don't want any water to get into this incredibly expensive hydraulic cylinder, so let's see. This should do something
Should be
like
good
this.
enough.
Good enough, yeah. That'll be okay. Yeah, that'll work. Alrighty, now let's fish this sucker out. Here we go. Dang, wow.
Right.
Beautiful Caterpillar yellow. It's gonna be Napa black after this. Alright, well, I'm ready to call it a day.